Welcome to my channel, Technology in the Future. I've had the Galaxy Watch Ultra on my wrist for more than 21 days, and now we're going to get deep into it. Reactions to the unveiling of the Galaxy Watch Ultra were initially quite mixed. Some individuals soon dismissed it as unoriginal and nothing more than a copycat. It's time to reevaluate now that I've used this watch every day for 3 weeks, even if I've previously refuted that idea in previous conversations. Has my perspective evolved? I'll go over my complaints, the new sensor's performance, and some of the benefits of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra that may not be immediately apparent as we examine this in-depth assessment. First, let's talk about the design, which at first provoked a lot of controversy. I was confused when I saw the Galaxy Watch Ultra for the first time in those glossy promotional films. What were they thinking? Was my first thought upon seeing the circular display set against a square body with a bezel. It seemed at first that Samsung was making an excessive effort to stand apart. Let's now discuss the band, which is undoubtedly one of this watch's most divisive features. To put it plainly, the default band that comes with the Galaxy Watch Ultra is not very good. I think this is the worst smartwatch band I have ever seen. It seems as if someone decided it would be a good idea to combine an expensive gadget with an item that appears to be from a discount store. Though let's be honest, most of us are just average people who sometimes go for a run or visit the gym. I know it's intended for athletes. Though it's still far from perfect, Samsung's inclusion of the Peakform band is a welcome upgrade. The good news is that its replacement is a surprisingly nice touch bezel. It's a good substitute since it's simple to use, responsive, and has a circular bezel that guides your finger. Although I want a rotating bezel, I find that the touch bezel fulfills my needs rather well. Talking of the bezel, it's important to remember that it keeps the display safe from dents and scratches. I've had both bezel-less and bezel-equipped smartwatches, and I can attest from personal experience that the latter look better as they become older. This increases the Galaxy Watch Ultra's resilience, making it a sensible option for anyone who wants to maintain the stylish appearance of their wristwatch over time. The Galaxy Watch Ultra shines in one aspect, and that is battery life. I hate that I have to charge my smartwatch every day, but luckily, this watch solves that problem. The charging speed is the sole drawback when it comes to batteries. Using the provided magnetic charger, the process of going from 0% to 100% takes over 2 hours. That may be a little annoying if you're in a rush and need a rapid boost, but it's okay if you're charging it overnight. Fast charging is something I wish Samsung had added, particularly at this price range. However, it's not as responsive as I'd like. Sometimes it feels like the watch doesn't register the gesture, which can be frustrating. Samsung has included an on-screen icon to indicate when the gesture is available, which is helpful. The display on the Galaxy Watch Ultra is nothing short of spectacular. It's incredibly bright, reaching up to 3000 nits, which means you can easily see the screen even in direct sunlight. The colors are vibrant, and everything appears sharp and clear. The large display isn't just for show. It's cleverly positioned between the guards of the other 2 buttons, so you don't accidentally press it. This may seem like a small detail, but it's these thoughtful design choices that contribute to a more enjoyable user experience. For example, I scored 85 after a restful night's sleep and mild exertion. In contrast, I scored 62 after a sleepless night. This function is quite useful for determining the amount of daily effort you can put in. My path was accurately tracked by the watch, and the information it offered was comprehensive and illuminating. The Galaxy Watch Ultra is a great partner for outdoor activities like hiking and trail running, since it has an integrated compass and a GPS that can track 5 distinct satellites. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Until next time.